What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I'm back with another video today. It's been, I think, like a week and a half since I recorded my last video, but I didn't even post it for you to see, and I think you haven't seen a new video from me in like a month and a half. It's been forever, but I got a new pair of shoes in today. The first new pair of shoes that I've received in a while, right, Peyton? I think so. And I want to get this open today because what I mentioned in the other video that you'll probably see next week sometime, because this one I'm posting tomorrow, is that I'm back in the office 5 days a week. And I made that last video, I recorded it in the morning before my first day back into the office for 5 days a week. And I really wanted to wear a particular new pair of shoes, even though it wasn't new. It's been sitting behind where Peyton's sitting right now for years, but I wanted to wear it. And so I cracked open that new pair to unds on my first day back to work, day back to school, and for 5 days a week. So I've been to work plenty, not just working from home. But I got this other one, and I want to wear this one tomorrow too, as in unds it quickly. Maybe even on dead stock, a new pair of shoes every week, one a week. Because I think I have like 4 pairs of One Lows that are brand new that I haven't worn before that I'm probably going to start wearing in rotation this summer at work. But anyways, we're going to get into this shoe in just a second. It's one that I'm actually pretty excited about this year, but I'm just as excited about this word from our sponsor. Peyton, who's our sponsor? Jesus. This is John. I'm sorry, this is a new Bible. It has the New International Version, New Living Translation, New King James Version, and the Message all on the same page, so I can compare and hopefully understand more of the word when I see it in different translations. This is the Message version. It's John chapter 16, verse 8, starting in verse 8. When he comes, he'll expose the error of the godless world's view of sin. Godless world's view of sin sees God as... Oh my gosh, I just had a brain fart. God as convicting them of their sin. And the godless world does. God does convict them. The Holy Spirit does convict them of their sin. But more importantly, that righteousness and judgment, he'll show that their refusal to believe is their basic sin, that righteousness comes from above. But I think what that also says to us is that Jesus and the Holy Spirit comes to convict believers of their righteousness. When we sin, God, the Holy Spirit is constantly there for us as believers to remind us that we are the righteousness of Christ. That's how God sees us, and he's constantly reminding us of that. And I think we as believers should still try not to sin, but the Holy Spirit does not convict us to try to make us feel bad about our sin. He wants to remind us that we are righteous through his blood, through Jesus' blood. And that's what I got out of maybe not out of the Message version, but I liked the Message version too. John 16, chapter 8. All right, let's get into this shoe. I actually have a little bit of a hate relationship with this shoe because
hate relationship.
I guess it's. I don't love it, but it is a shoe I was looking forward to, but it has a downside. And I guess if you're watching the video, I do think I'm going to name this video something about it, not word for word, but it's going to at least allude to it. We get the face box. You see his face? Mm-hmm. I can't even see it from this angle because of the way the light shine on it. But again, I wanted to say, there's something about this shoe that I highly dislike, and I'll talk about it in just a second. The name of this video the title is going to say something about Imperial, because this is the Jordan 4 Retro Imperial Purple Multicolor. Mm-hmm. What? Multicolor? It doesn't have that many colors. I don't know why it doesn't say. I don't know why it says multicolor when most shoes that have 4 or 5 colors on it just say 2 colors. And some shoes on the box, it'll say the main color, and then it'll say another color, but that other color is only on the shoe a tiny, tiny bit. And another color that's like 40% of the shoe they don't even mention. Multicolor makes more sense, but whatever. I'm excited to see this shoe. Seen a lot of videos about it. Watched, several different videos, and I liked what I saw. And I remember seeing this. I don't remember. I think I saw it myself before, but Isaac, my nephew, showed it to me, and we both really liked the pictures. The pictures that we originally saw months and months and months ago, this isn't exactly the same. I'll point out what's a little bit different that I'm probably a little disappointed about, but it's okay. But huge thanks to Isaac, my nephew, for helping me out with this. He got into all the raffles before the release, trying to get them for me. And then he went for them on release day 2. But I had 14 people or so from work that were going for them for me as well. So both of my accounts hit. This is my account. My mom's account hit too, and that was shipped to her house. So I don't have it with me here today. This was delivered today here, and those were delivered to her house today. And then one person from work hit, and Isaac's dad, my brother-in-law, hit too. So we canceled 2 of them, which I might regret. I mean, it would have been about $1,000 I would have had to spend on shoes that day, but if they were worth $40, $50 more than retail on a platform aftermarket like StockX, it would have been worth it, and I should have gone through with it. But the fact that I was able to get 4 pairs made it seem like stock was a lot higher than what we were anticipating, and at least the initial resale after that drop didn't seem to go up much. But I do have this extra pair. I may sell it. Miguel was interested, and I might hold it for him. But we'll see. I want to see this shoe. I want to see it in hand. Have not seen it myself in hand before, just in videos. Oh yeah. Okay. That's not very convincing.
No.
You don't like it?
Nah, that's okay.
Okay. All right. I really like this.
I know you like purple. So.
Yeah, obviously I like purple. Do you know what it is that I don't like about it? What do these colors remind you of?
The basketball team.
Which one?
The Lakers.
Wow, I'm impressed. How do I feel about the Lakers? Do you know?
You don't like them?
Do you know why?
Because LeBron Lames is on there.
Who?
LeBron Lames.
That's not how you say it.
Jabron
Lames. Yes. So historically, Lakers are fine. Not my favorite team. But since LeBron, Jabron, and Luka started playing for them, it's just like the reputation, the feel of that team has just gone downhill. There's too much flopping, too much complaining. And even though they're 2 of the best players ever to play the game, definitely not the GOAT, neither one of them, but 2 of the best players to play the game, I just have a really, really hard feelings against the team as a whole. So I'm glad that there's not a lot of yellow on this. If this whole back was yellow, it would look more Lakers. It needs more yellow to be Lakers, but we're going to call it Imperial Purple and forget about the fact that there's yellow on it too. I like it for the purple. I like it for just the whole colorway. I do like the yellow that's on there. We get a little bit of the cement spatter print on the Nike Air on the back. It's got Nike Air. You don't get the spatter or cement on the midsole, which you would normally get in a 4, but whatever, that's okay. The difference from the original pictures is this translucent outsole was very icy in the original pictures that we saw. Here, it's a little bit more opaque. It's not icy. I think it was a little bit more icy like this.
I think that would look a little better.
Ish. I have another pair of shoes that is icy. I don't think I do. This is probably the best example. So, I would think I would have liked them a little bit better if they were icy blue, like the 11s over there. Like they originally looked at the pictures, but otherwise they're fine. What we do see here is also the better shape of the 4, which is supposedly more OG. The 4s were from 1989. I was 6 years old. I don't remember 4s when they were OG original. I only started really paying attention to them in like the 20 teens. But what was different about them then, there was a different shape overall, but I think part of that different shape was mostly accentuated by the amount of netting you see here between the bottom lace and the top of the toe leather. And there's a whole lot more now than there was before, and that comes along with a better shape all through the toe. So these have more space here, also like bread fours, right there. And that was the first more recent pair that went back to this style, which does have a better shape than early 20s, 2020s, and the 20 teens at least. So I'm glad they have this shape back. But this is like really nice material. Give that a little feel.
feel.
I like that
This
the
was-
material a lot.
No, whenever you touched it right here, you made
Yeah,
a big
you can see it.
fingerprint.
So, and what I've been seeing on other videos is like Jordan Brand is capable of providing us with decent materials, and from what I've heard so far and what I can see on these, decent quality control. And I don't remember how much I paid for these. I think they were like $230 something with tax. Like I think they were $220. It's the same price as the other fours, but there's no quality issues on this pair that I've seen so far, and they are pretty nice material. And other people are saying they're nice material too. So they're capable of giving us what we want. They just don't do it. One thing I want to look at in this, we get Dream Cell, whatever. Not terrible, but we'd prefer it to be polyurethane. But this will do. I am going to wear these tomorrow, no doubt.
You gonna wear a yellow shirt?
I don't think I have a yellow shirt. Yes, I do.
I was like, yeah, I do.
Which one?
Long sleeves.
It's like a fishing shirt?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to wear that shirt to work tomorrow.
What am I
It will
doing?
smell.
Not bad.
But I like these. Definitely like the color. The Imperial purple color is I'm feeling it. I do have another 4 here, which isn't a fair comparison, but it is another 4 with some purple on it at least.
What about those?
On the top,
Yeah.
those are our dunks. I'm comparing 4s.
But what about the colors?
Oh, well, those are actually Lakers. I was actually going to put this in the video.
Was that when Michael Jordan was playing still? Or
Playing
basketball? No, I don't know.
is what? This shoe?
Yeah, when he was on the team?
What team?
The Lakers?
He was never on the Lakers.
Just kidding.
It's all right. You never watched him. He was on the Bulls, which is like a red and black
That was
team.
my second guess.
But
Is that
this
why
is
you
a dunk. It's not a Jordan. This is a Jordan. This is a dunk. These were called the Lakers EMB embossed because this is embossed lettering here. I didn't like this because of Lakers either. I liked this because of the big Nike here and because of the colors. I think I wore this pair of shoes once, and these were maybe twice. These were made in 2020, so they're about 6 years old, and I've worn them twice. The reason why I still have these, though, is because they were the first video I made on shoes.
Oh.
So I'm not going to get rid of these shoes. And they're kind of uncomfortable. They don't fit me very well. They're too small.
They're kind of
Dunks
dusty.
are a little narrow. What?
They're kind of dusty.
Yeah, well, they've been sitting around for 6 years. So I'm glad these have a little bit less yellow. The majority of the yellows on the insole, like so when I pulled it out, I'm not gonna. I don't wear my hang tags on my shoe, but I'm definitely wearing these, even though it's gonna rain probably tomorrow, because I think this material will be okay in the rain.
Really? Really?
I think so. We'll see.
So it's gonna mess up.
So I think I am a little underwhelmed, but it might be because of your reaction. Like I'm feeding off of your vibes, not being so impressed. But they are what I thought they'd be. I like them, and I'm gonna wear them.
That's good.
So it is what it is. So smash the like button if you like the Imperial Purple Jordan 4s. We're only calling them Imperial Purple, not the L word, the bad word. Imperial Purple.
Like the Christian F word. Fine.
Fine. Yeah. No. This is the goat bad word. Lakers. Well, Imperial Purple.
Get some soap. Wash your mouth out.
So smash the like button if you like the Imperial Purple. If you got these, if you think they were hard to get, or if you think they were super limited and the price is going to go up, let me know down in the comments below. And let me know what you think about John chapter 16, verse 8, and what you think about the Holy Spirit convicting us believers of our righteousness, not reminding us of our sin, reminding us of our righteousness instead. Tell your grandma about the Jordan 4 Imperial Purple.
She might like them because they're purple.
She might, but she's not going to wear them.
I'm not saying grandma. I'm saying their grandmas.
Your grandma. Yes, she might want to wear them. But smash the like button. Comment down below. I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Shoes.
Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute. Wow.
Jordan 3 Black Cement.